add our OLAP map now. One thing you'll need to have these ranges set up. So the row range for pages is along the top. Row range for metadata is really related to where the column name is going to show up. The row range for your actual data, this is going to be where the data will end up being displayed. So that will be a data cell there as it grows down. Column range, so action column we've already set. We need that. Column range for pages. So as the information about our page options is shown, where does that get shown? So for individual page option, we would show, if we want to show name, caption, maybe a couple of properties, we would show the name here, the caption, and whatever properties we choose. Then the column range for the metadata. This is really going to be around our row information. So this would be maybe the account key, the account name, account caption. They'll show up in this area. And where is the actual data going to end up? So that's going to end up here as the intersection with our other cell, other range. So now that we've got those set up, we go back to our map. Just get rid of the 1 there. So in our case, we're going to say we'll pick a scenario, we'll pick office products is kind of like a department, we'll pick a product, we'll pick an account, and we'll pick a measure. So we're going to keep this one very simple. It's not going to be very flexible at this point, but it'll at least validate that our data is coming back. Year will be along the columns, time will be along the rows. Now our page filters. So here it's asking, well, where do we want the information about our page options showing up, and also what should we select as our page options? So row range pages, column range pages. It's going to be this top cell area around here. For now, let's pick actuals, all departments, all products, pick net income, and amount. Those are our pages that are set. So now we're going to do the columns. So where's the description row? So description row is the data about the data, the metadata. So row range from meta. And you feel free to change these names. There's not necessarily a convention here. They can be whatever makes sense. Where is the actual data going to live? So here we want the column range for data. We're going to pick a particular year. Now, right now this is all hard coded. Down the road we'll make it parameterized, so it's a little more functional. So for rows, now where's our row description column going to be? So column row meta. And the actual data for it, row range data. Let's pick full year. Looks good. So we check our properties at the end, make sure we've got retrieve. Yep, we've got retrieve. See if I highlight that cell, allow retrieve is set up. So let's save and send. Template published. Go into Clarity now. On our validation report, we get numbers. So good. So that tells us that our numbers are showing up where they should be. Our row range information is showing up where it should be. Our column range information is showing up in the right spot. Our page information is showing up in the right spot. So we're on the right track.